All right, let's let's start this out. 2013 Absolute Box 8, 1056 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. You guys, this is unbelievable. We're selling out boxes like crazy here tonight. So good to have you guys on board. Here's everybody up in it. All right, good. This is... it's okay. This is box number 8. Hey, Absolute looks freaking amazing this year. They did work. They did work. Here's a little payment. Frankleton, 10 out of 49. And look at this guy again. Look at Josh getting that Jordan Reed. Sorry, Barnesy. Sorry, buddy. All right. Here we go. Somebody's going to get a nice little hit here. There's a Douglas. Tannehill. Nick Kassa, 81, 499. Nice little Robert Woods. That'll be patching there. 87 out of 99. So going to those Bills. And then Christine Michael going to Seattle. This guy got a couple starts. Jeff Toole. He got tooled on. Hey, Greg, if you go into your recent activity or inside your dashboard, you can always see what teams you have, buddy. Then there's a nice Zach Ertz 34 out of 299. And you can also see it right below the live stream on whatever you call it, on the website, on UltimateBoxBreaks.com. Okay, good deal. Next, Marshawn. Here comes a Boss Hog. Oh, this is Hog Wild. So there's another variation, and that's 2 out of 10 going to Philadelphia. Mark R. He's back up in this mix. There is a Vernon Davis, 71 out of 99. And then you got Cornelius Carradine, 150 out of 499 auto. And then look at that, 3 hits in a row. Going to San Francisco. Stevie F. Go and get it, bud. All right. That was box number 8.